Can you pass land down in a trust versus a will to avoid probate? I can tell you as it relates to titling property, titling real property or land in Belize, you're afforded a tremendous amount of flexibility. There are very few restrictions, in fact, no restrictions on foreign ownership of property in Belize. So that could be a foreign individual, a foreign company, once it's been registered to conduct business in Belize, registered as a branch, or a foreign trust for that matter. So it's all possible. There are different documents, different procedures to properly title land in the name of, again, a foreign individual, foreign trust, foreign company, what have you. But it is absolutely possible. And again, your specific question, is it possible to put that land in a trust to avoid on-the-ground probate in Belize? And indeed it would be. Probate in Belize, or probating one's estate, is only really necessary if there is land that's titled in the name of that individual. And then it's always a great idea, in fact, the best idea, to have a Belizean will to cover not only land that may be directly titled in your name here in Belize, but also any chattels, movable assets, motor vehicles for that matter, that you may have on the ground in Belize. And our office does produce quite a few, assist with drafting Belizean wills for our clients, foreign clients that have assets on the ground here, again, to either deal with probate, or as you're suggesting, again, Shane Carter, you can use a foreign trust, you can use a foreign company. Therefore, any interest, beneficial interest, would be dealt with outside of Belize as opposed to on the ground in Belize. I do believe we have some videos on that topic on our YouTube channel. So once again, search Wrobel Company, LLP Attorneys at Law on YouTube. You may be able to find some more specific information to answer your question. So thanks for that.